Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. Like on today's vlog, yeah guys, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where we stuck on a... This music in the background keeps interrupting. Who's playing this crap, man? Yeah guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you, but I'm always smiling. Can someone stop this freaking music, yo? Yeah guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. Alright, so anyway guys, you guys might notice that I'm pretty much getting prepared for go to the barber because my hair's gotten really unmanageable, or I don't like it this high, so I'm gonna take off maybe like 2.5 inches of height from it or whatever. Easily, but like I'm really, like guys, I'm like really just so disappointed and a little bit upset. Like, I don't remember if you guys watched the vlog that says wrap me like a gift. Shout out to you if you watch all my vlogs. You see me, where I went to the store at the end and I was like, I don't want to show anyone where I'm going because I want to get a gift for Judah. You see me? Well, where I went was Bridget Sandals. It should be okay to play this vlog now because I'm believing I'm going to put out this vlog after Judah's birthday. Thank you, God. So that's exactly where I went. And when I went to I went there like November, like early 20s of November, because I was like, yo, Christmas season is coming around and hopefully these people would have this product stocked, so you know, people can get their wives or girlfriends these beautiful sandals, because they're nice. I mean, as a matter of fact, I don't think they're that inventive anymore, because a few years ago when they came out with the rose sandals, it was like, oh my gosh, it's like an illusion on your feet. Now the same sandals anyway, but it's good quality. So pretty much I went there, and you know, if you are around me generally, every time I go around customer service, I try to be a little bit cheerful or, you know, calm or whatever, because I understand people, whatever. I went there like 10 o'clock and this lady had a really grumpy attitude in the store, you see me, whichever customer service girl it was. And I was like, it started out wrong because when I heard her on the phone talking to somebody, and she was like really, like the customer obviously wanted something, and like they probably were just like me, like shocked that there's nothing there, you see me. And she was grumpy with the customer, whatever. So anyway, I was like, yo, I want size 9. Judah, I'm sorry, nobody here say a foot big, but I was like, yo, I'm sorry, I wanted size 9 gold rose sandals. That's what I wanted. Now you can imagine my dismay when I heard that there was none there. So I was like, okay, cool, no problem, because as I said, this company, they make really nice sandals, you know, and the girls go crazy over them, and you pretty much can like rebuild them if they start getting damaged or whatever, and it's just so cool. So I'm like, okay, anything for my baby, right? So I'm like, okay, can I put a pre-order in? She's like, we don't do pre-order here. So I kind of chuckled to myself and I was like, don't you think that would be like a really good idea to have like a pre-order? Now this is me as a customer giving a suggestion. It's a suggestion, and then you're gonna make me feel like my suggestion was stupid, you know? Prime example is that you have other companies, because I ordered some stuff from Kylie, because she like Kylie Jenner or whatever. So I ordered some stuff, and I knew that this Kylie Jenner website would crash on a certain day. So I went beforehand and I bought a few stuff, and lo and behold, website crashed. But what Kylie did, they send out emails, or they send out notifications to say, hey, we are restocking at this time, or you can pre-order here or whatever, and they're meeting a demand. So in my head, I don't understand, because I remember I heard about this company, this Bridget Sandals company, and they said something like, you know, improve production, and they were going to another country to whatever, get the leather from some crap. So I'm kind of wondering if they're trying to create some unnecessary demand, or is it that they just can't make enough of these sandals? Like, I really don't know. But anyway, you know, I kind of ignored the lady. So like, I said to her, okay, cool, then what can I do? And she's like, yo, they're getting orders, they're getting shipments every Friday of December. So I'm like, alright, cool. And you know, I went into my car and I pretty much ranted on Snapchat, because I was like, yo, this is stupid. Anyway, so for the whole time, you know, I know that Judah knows like the lady's son or whatever, but I don't want to tell her. I don't want to use that kind of link and tell her, say, yo, Ray, because I don't want her to know what kind of gift I'm getting her. You understand? So anyway, the Friday came. Stupid me, like, no, not stupid, I had work. So I couldn't really go down there. So I'm like, alright, cool, I can make it for Monday. Monday I call. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm talking too much or whatever, but this is a story. This is story time, baby. Listen up. So I called Monday and they're like, gold roses are done on a size 9.5. So I'm like, yo, Jano, I ain't gonna make my baby feet look even bigger than they are. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, this ain't gonna work. Anyway, Judah fought over the night and stuff, and you know, I was quizzing her and whatever, and she was like, you know, if she gets Bridget, she'd get like, you know, gold K's or white roses. So I'm like, oh great, because I would have bought, you know, the gold rose. So anyway, switching the angle, baby. So I was like, I called him this morning. I'm like, okay, great, you know, I have 2 options, they must have one. So I'm like, hey, do you guys have white roses or gold K's size 9? And then she was like, they were like, they don't have any, blah blah blah, and that's done for the season. Yo fam, imagine these things are only made at a certain time of year and you only make a little bit, almost only 20 of them. So, you know, me being disappointed, whatever, I called Judah. I was like, yo, you know, this is what I was trying to get. I don't want to disappoint you on your birthday, you know, whatever. And she's like, she gonna call the son and whatever and figure out. But yo, cat's out the freaking bag, nigga. To all them people who want dogs, wanna come for them. Anybody who want them dogs, will come for them. Watch out. Tin set, you know. The dog inside him are gonna. Look for your nose. Look for your nose. Look for, like you hold on out this a smoke crack cocaine. Look for your nose. Glucose me blow, wow. I think it. I will be little man. Guys, I kid you not, it's like them dogs are just the outside and say, oh well, no one's playing with us. Let's play with ourselves. And just start going with a woolly eve. Look for that. Look for you. You're no longer black. Oh, you try Michael Jackson yourself? Watch out. Look for you. Are you? I am so disappointed. Some nice Christmas music to calm the spirits and stuff, so I'm on my way to the barber shop real quick. You see me? I think I'm gonna enjoy this Christmas. Like my other past Christmases have been just alright. I've had Christmases where I'm just by myself pretty much. As usual, my barber on the on time. Not gonna lie, some people only have one barber on the phone. That's my one barber. Always. So I've been telling you guys about the Kylie Cosmetic. It is, well, it's not here, it's just landed at Norman Manley, so I'll be picking that up tomorrow. Yeah. But I'm not seeing you. Me know how we're vlogging at Judah. Just talk here, talk.
I don't care, but my voice is so rusty right now.
Your voice always sounds like some construction man. Go and talk.
Right, I just got up. What? I hate you?
Yeah. So what Jonathan said about slippers?
Bye. Anyways, so he's like, every Friday they restock, blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
So I asked him about the rose. He literally went, you know that we saw like the last couple rows yesterday in my size. So the only thing he has now is the K in gold, and him saying they put stuff for me. So that's up to you if I get that. Or wait till Friday.
When am I put it up? Today?
He put stuff already for me, yeah, with my name and whatever. Him said I must call him around 1 o'clock to see if I can get the rose in white. So yeah, so I can call him around that time, and then he gets decided. Well, you decide which one you get me.
Girl.
Boy.
From when I walk over, dirty body probably. See my dirty body, see my dirty body? In my pocket for buy slippers. And then just lame.
They're not lame, like their things come and go really quick. So when you said Friday, or whoever told you Friday, trust.
Then well some communication problem are going wrong. Because the same way how you can call and tell me put it down, that's what I did when I went there and I said, yo.
To who?
To the girl, to one of the girl.
She fat?
No, she look, but I said to her, yo, listen, I want to pre-order them, so when it come, put down whatever. And she said to me, say, yo, no, them not do that. So how you can call and do that?
Oh, cause it's me.
See, your tongue dirty, you need to go brush your teeth.
Yeah, I need to brush my teeth.
You need to go brush your teeth.
But that's
fine. It look heavy. Like you eat one whole heap of last. Yeah, on the vlog, you know, but anyway.
Yeah, it was popping. Yeah.
Alright, cool. But you have to rant on them on the vlog still. I had to rant.
More you love Bridget, you know. I rant about them.
Me, you can never find me go back there, so.
You going back there Friday or today, though?
Yeah, if me can go there, well, I have work at 2 o'clock, so. I could have run go down there. Well, I can go tomorrow.
Okay.
Just let me know.
Yeah, I'll call him my crown on. And if not, you go tomorrow, I'll let him put down Chabon. And you go tomorrow, and after that, you get pick it up.
Alright, cool, babe.
So, you stop vlog me now, right?
No, you're still up on the vlog. Hey, let the people.
Bye, guys.
Alright, cool, mad thing.
Bye, babe.
Guys, right now we're at our new barber shop. If he's a nigga, you know, like whenever I go to a new barber, I always fret. Like just there, no, but let's see how this comes out.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So, I literally think I have no use for this anymore. If you guys are wondering why, this is obviously why. See that? Oh, it actually stayed in my hair, so I guess it's actually working out. But like, the barber pretty much messed up my hair like 100%. Like right now, 2 people are looking at me and they're wondering if I'm crazy, but they don't know if I'm vlogging. But he messed it up 100%. I told him take 2.5 inches off the top, and he went for a 2.5. The adapter thing to put on the what you call it, the shear. So this is what I'm left with right now. I could scream, but for me I don't really mind still. Like, what I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna bleach the top and whatever, and my hair grows back pretty quick. So I'm gonna pretty much put you guys on the hair journey. So I'm talking to people who watch my How's Ibi tutorial videos, and for those who watch a Jamaican vlog, some of you might be like, oh, you look so much better now, whatever. I don't care right now, cause my girlfriend is upset. Like she was like, yo, Judah was like, take the hair off and put it back on your head. Yeah, so I told him to take 2.5 inches off the top, and he thought I said to use a 2.5 comb. The comb adapter for the what you call it, the shear. So that's what happened. You look very upset. You look disappointed. I'm still the same person. Love me. Yeah, so I pretty much on my way home. For those of you who are wondering, like, you know, if we had like, cause you know, when I was in the chair, like I was having a conversation with him. I'm like, yo, should I have to pay for like all of this? But like, you know, me being me, I just sat back and I just started thinking about the whole thing. I'm like, yo, love, nature, adaptation, though, that me say. So I just adapted to the situation where I'm just gonna have to just go through with this. I'm gonna make it look good, you get me? Cause I'm not my hair, you know what I'm saying? I'm not my hair. But yeah, so put it, and I tipped him to, because that's what I always do, because you know, I respect service area jobs where it's a person-to-person interaction. When I'm at the barber and I get my hair cut, for me personally, it just that moment to like relax, and for somebody to do something for me. So I tip him same way and thing, is it me? Because that's just me, that is me. Love, nature, adaptation. You have to adapt to whatever it is in your life. No matter how stressful you might feel, you gotta adapt to it, man. Anyway guys, I'm driving. See you later. So pretty much me almost reach home, and low key me there, so I wonder if my dad them are gonna recognize me. But can't think about it right now, you know. But anyway, for those of you who believe, I'm gonna stop by Bulla. I don't know. National dish there?
Yeah, man.
My style, I don't want to a big one in a man. Yeah, see it there? Looking nice. That's what I want. More national dish, look at butter, chip and. Eh, my blue car? Park up a yard.
You don't know what time behind it though.
Alright, so you see we got the bulla and cheese in there, isn't it? Oh god. Get it, boy. So me and Judah start this thing. No sir. So I'm trying to do ugly, you know. But you're still my hero. Jesus. Anyway, someday me and Judah start this thing like every day we're supposed to come in. I'm supposed to put on like a $50 bill or a $100 bill. So this is my put on for a trip. Whenever we go take a trip, we go use it. Babe, I don't know if you're still doing this, but me I do it. You see it? Here's for the moment of the truth, guys. Guys, it's Daddy. Guys, Capo, you recognize me? Huh? You recognize me? Ah, good. You can laugh, but don't laugh too loud, you know. Here. Ready? Tell the man cut off 2.5 inch. Okay, man cut off. And you
about 2.5 inches.
cut off. Eh?
But that's about 2.5 inches.
Cut off. Sometimes my hair is 5 inches high. Cut off 2.5. Not leave 2.5 inches. Means remove 2.5. Guess what things I may say? In things I may say, the 2.5 shear blade.
No, not so much. Just a little bit. Can't look like Daddy.
No. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much back home. There so I eat my bulla and thing. You see me? I think I'm pretty much gonna end the vlog here. You know, I think I got enough footage for today. Some of y'all gonna be like, why are you drinking from the bottle? Oh, you nasty. Bro, this is all that's left back in the bottle. I am saving water. Can you imagine I pour that in just in a little glass and stuff? You know how many kids are in Somalia dying for water? Nature. Adaptation. But anyway, let me get this out of my mouth. Alright, now I'm a lot more polite. Shout out for those of you guys who are appreciating the Vlogmas videos. If you don't know, the reason why YouTubers do Vlogmas is not to follow Americans or whatever, but it's because the tag Vlogmas is a tag to actually get your channel out there. And you know, like most persons who watch YouTube heavily are going to be watching a lot more during the, you know, the Christmas season. So it's a great way to get a few more subscribers. I hope to really hopefully end December with maybe an extra 100 subscribers. If I was able to get that, like, I'd be really happy. So, you know, we're just doing this Vlogmas thing, you know, show you guys, you know, what it's like in Jamaica. As I said, for me, my goal is to get at least 15 Vlogmas videos, which is going to be more than I normally produce every month for you guys. So, and yeah, and as I said, you know, I really know how you guys feel when you subscribe to a channel and you want to see more, you want to learn more about the person and about the life of what's happening and so on. So I'm really happy to do this for you guys, you know, every now and again. So yeah, I have some more stuff to do today which I could show you guys, which might be interesting. For example, I have to remove my car tire and take that to the shop tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm just gonna end the vlog here. It's another beautiful day in Jamaica. And yeah, guys, remember these 3 things as always: love, nature, adaptation. Thank you for loving this video. Thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing and joining the team. Keep the link, guys.
All right.